Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is CJE Endencia and I am 21 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Caraga State University. I have a strong foundation in math from my academic background, but teaching is where my real passion lies. I pride myself in being a highly organized educator with experience in developing comprehensive lesson plans that break down complex mathematical concepts into simple, relatable, and easy steps. I treat lesson plans like a guide for teaching math and making test questionnaires. I know how to adjust my teaching on the spot based on how students are doing because I've learned that even the best lesson plan falls flat without a classroom built on respect and clear expectations. That's why I put a lot of effort to focus into classroom management and keeping students engaged because for me, that's what turns a good lesson into a great learning experience. One of the achievements that I am particularly proud of was during my internship. I was assigned to a class that was known for being quiet, restless, and disengaged. I redesigned our unit test on statistics to include collaborative project-based learning. I implemented a time management system where students had clear roles and responsibilities. By giving them ownership of their learning and clearly communicating my expectations and transformed the classroom energy. Not only did we see a significant rise in their unit test scores, but the number of behavioral disruptions declined by nearly 80%. It was a powerful reminder that when students feel respected and challenged, they rise to the occasion. I am eager to bring this blend of mathematical expertise and strong classroom leadership to your faculty because I firmly believe that every student has the potential to excel in math, given the right environment. I am ready to work hard, collaborate with your experienced staff, and contribute to the continued success of your students. Thank you for your time and for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed by your school. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team and contributing positively to your institution.